Today we're going to look at the Norelco L-209 AM/FM transistor radio from 1968, made in Taiwan, sold for $20. It's probably their lowest quality radio from that era. The box is in kind of rough shape. But the inside is pretty good. We have our hang tag, simplest instructions that you could get. And we have the radio in this little plastic bag. And we have the standard warranty card down there. Earphone, and it came with 4 AA batteries, I'm sure, since that fits the box. But of course I put those in there, but we'll be using these, so we'll take those out. And here's the radio. It's pretty much pocket size, maybe a little bigger than some of the pocket size radios. A nice looker. Pretty plain, but not necessarily unattractive. It has a nice green accent numbers for the log scale, which is a good little detail. On the right side we have an antenna, that FM antenna that extends quite far and then flips up. We have our on-off volume knob and our tuning knob. We have a carrying strap. In the back we have jacks for our earphones and a 6-volt adapter, AM/FM selector switch, and access to the battery connector. Taiwan. And here's a little feature here. These 2 little feet let it stand up. If you look at the way the radio is, it wouldn't really stand straight if it wasn't for those 2 little feet, because it's curved in. So that's a good little feature. So let's open it up, put some batteries in, and try it out. Along with putting batteries in, I thought we'd take a look inside. Got some identifying marks there. Little Pioneer speaker. AM antenna. I don't see any obvious signs of who made it as far as a printed name anywhere. Lots of stuff made in Japan, but no made by. Well, let's put the batteries in and test it. Alright, batteries are in, so we'll start on the AM dial at the bottom. Experience has taught me I don't get anything till about 900 kilohertz, but we'll sail through the lower parts and see. You just don't get a lot on the low end of the scale here in Indianapolis. Get maybe 5 or 6 in the upper.
How do you think that's? And so that's kind of where we came from to begin with, like my background itself.
All right, let's clear real quick here. You like clear. Classic. Cover it all. We don't get sales taxes. That goes to the state. Now, there are some minor exceptions on that.
reading some of the excerpts of the book. It's so funny nowadays. We think of, these, really...
With the radio on, what is something they could do right this moment?
I think that's something that...
All right, well, that's the state of AM radio here. Not a lot. Let's switch to FM. Extend the antenna here. And erase it.
And who really is the MVP? Did LeBron make his case yet again?
Entombed for thousands of years, the remains of these ancient elephants continue to be uncovered by Hoosiers across the state.
Amazing.
Absolutely.
But when I strain too hard, sometimes I'm a little...
But they always got hands to share. And you know they
Don't worry, call the car wreck. When you have sinus pressure and pain, you feel...
I can't give up. I never hit so hard.
What kind of your place, didn't he?
I thought it was 339, 8.
Which gives out the certificates and decides what's being taught in VOTEC schools.
If you have a certificate that you're an electrician,
PBS
it doesn't
always
matter
sounds
if
the
it's in
best.
Hamburg or in Berlin.
I think on
Companies
any
know what they
radio
get.
I have.
And that, she says, trips up some Europeans.
And keep listening to WJEL 89.3 FM. Surf on to jelcc.com to find information.
That's the
you need
local
about the J. Everlight Career
high school
Find out
station.
about Segram, or
And if I want to
just
keep
sign
up on the
for an
latest
adult education
teenager
class.
or high school
Everything J.
music,
Everlight is on our
this
website
is the
at
radio station I would listen to.
jelcc.com.
All right. That's the Norelco L-209 AM/FM transistor radio from 1968. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.